So this is Frogger. This is an arcade game from the early 80s. It should still be well known enough that I'm really not going to need to talk about it too much. If you've never heard of Frogger before, it's well documented. There's tons of different ports out there. This is of course a Commodore 64 version, and I am going to play it on a real Commodore 64 as I always do. Look at the label real fast. On the back is your Parker Brothers logo. See if I can zoom in on the copyright 1982-1983 Sega. Anyways, if you are familiar with Frogger, I'm going to play about 5 minutes on the Commodore 64 so you can compare it to the other ports that are available. And if you're not familiar with Frogger, then maybe this will be the first time you've seen the game. It's a relatively simple game. So first I put the cartridge into the Commodore 64. Turn off the light, and there's the monitor. And you play with a joystick. This is plugged into joystick port 2. Turn on the Commodore. And this is the startup screen. Press F1 to reset. Kind of a catchy tune. There's really not a lot to do here. I mean, you can set the speed slow or fast. I played it at fast earlier, but I'm going to do it slow now. This is your Frogger. You have to go across the road without getting hit by a car. This wall is a safe spot. You can jump on the turtles who sometimes go underwater. Logs, turtles, logs, and then you gotta fill up each of the caves. So if I press F1 to reset, you can see the Frogger going left and right. Before I do anything, if you get hit by a car, you die. And up here, this is kind of silly. This is water. Frogger dies in water. He's not a very good aquatic creature, I guess. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you're one up, score, how many frogs you've got. This is your timer. I don't know how well it comes across, but the timer keeps counting down. So try to get across the road. There's one. Gotta get them all. Sometimes, I don't know if you can see it, sometimes in the empty hole, a crocodile or things will show up. You gotta avoid them. Like that, there's a critter in there. Running out of time. Ah, I missed it. Come on. Well, I guess I died. Give it another shot if I can. Ooh, I missed. Finally. That's the first screen. Now, second screen. This is like a typical arcade game from the 80s. You just keep going and going and going and running out. This is fast speed. I'm not going to play too much on this one. This is jeez. It's the second screen. Oh, I still got one more. There we go. Alright, I'm not going to play anymore. Anyways, that is Frogger for the Commodore 64. Thank you for watching.